Hello, welcome back. Today we are going to check on distance, speed and time, and we are going to use distance, speed and time triangle to solve our problems. Let us go through this example together. The question says, a car travels on the highway at a constant speed of 65 miles per hour. How far will it travel in 3 hours? Let us write our given. They gave us speed, which is equal to 65 mile per hour, and also they have given to us time, which is equal to 3 hours. They need a distance, that is how far, is equal to how much. We are going to use our distance, speed and time to find the distance. Since we are looking for the distance, we are going to hide distance. So distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. Solution: our distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. The distance is equal to the speed, which is 65, multiplied by the time, that is 3. We are going to get a distance is equal to 195. This is miles. Let us do question number 2. It says, a school bus needs to travel a distance of 220 miles if it drives at an average speed of 55 miles per hour. How long will the trip take? Let us write our givens. They gave us a distance which is equal to 220 miles, and also they have given to us average speed of 55 miles per hour. We have a speed which is equal to 55 miles per hour. They need the time that the trip will take. So the time is equal to what? We are going to use our distance, speed and time triangle. We need the time, so we are going to hide the time. Time is equal to distance divided by speed. Solution: time is equal to distance divided by speed. Time is equal to, our distance is 220 miles divided by 55. That will give us 4. This is hours. The trip will take 4 hours. Let us do question number 3. It says, a train spends a time of 6 hours to travel a distance of 498 kilometers. What is the speed of the train? Given. They gave us time equal to 6 hours. And also they gave us distance, which is equal to 498. This is kilometer. They are asking us for the speed. So speed is equal to what? Let's go to the solution part. We are looking for the speed, so I'm going to hide speed. Speed is equal to distance over time. Speed is equal to distance over time. Our speed is equal to our distance, which is 498, divided by time, which is 6 hours. 498 divided by 6, we get 83. This is speed, which is going to be kilometer per hour. The speed of train is 83 kilometer per hour. I hope you understand. For more questions on distance, speed, and time, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.